AI is also creating new markets and business opportunities. Entrepreneurs and innovators are exploring novel applications of AI, leading to the emergence of cutting-edge products and services. Startups and tech giants alike are investing heavily in AI research and development. This investment is fueling a competitive landscape where the race to harness AI's full potential is intensifying.
The rise of AI is transforming the job market in unprecedented ways, reshaping industries and altering the nature of work itself. While some fear widespread job displacement, AI also presents an opportunity to create new jobs and redefine existing ones. The integration of AI into various sectors can lead to increased efficiency and innovation. It is crucial to approach this shift with a balance of caution and optimism, preparing the workforce for the changes that lie ahead. This means investing in education and training programs that focus on future job skills.
It is true that AI will automate certain tasks, potentially displacing some jobs. However, it will also create new opportunities for those who are prepared to adapt. However, history has shown that technological advancements often lead to the creation of new industries and job roles. The industrial revolutions of the past are prime examples of how innovation can drive economic growth and job creation. The key to navigating this transition is to embrace lifelong learning and upskilling. Continuous education and skill development are essential in staying relevant in an ever-evolving job market. Governments, educational institutions, and businesses must work together to equip individuals with the skills they need to thrive in an AI-powered world. Collaboration and proactive measures will ensure a smooth transition into this new era of work.
Section 4: AI for a better tomorrow. Beyond its economic impact, AI has the potential to create a better future for all. AI is already being used to address some of the world's most pressing social and environmental challenges, from combating climate change to improving healthcare outcomes. In healthcare, AI is being used to develop new drugs, diagnose diseases earlier, and provide personalized treatment plans. AI-powered medical devices are transforming the way doctors and nurses provide care. In the fight against climate change, AI is being used to optimize energy consumption, develop renewable energy sources, and monitor deforestation.
Section 5: Navigating the Future Together. As we venture further into this exciting new era of AI, it is essential to proceed with both enthusiasm and a strong sense of responsibility. The future of AI is not predetermined. It is a future that we will shape collectively through the choices we make today. International cooperation is crucial to ensure that AI is developed and used ethically and responsibly. We must establish global standards and guidelines to govern the development and deployment of AI systems. The future of AI is bright, and by working together, we can harness the transformative power of AI to create a more equitable, sustainable, and prosperous world for all.